just kind of feels like you're outside, and just really relaxful, peaceful area. It has that open ceiling here to let in the air and sunlight. Say 안녕하세요. Okay, ready? Nope. 안녕하세요.
제 이름은
Huh?
제 이름은
제 이름? I didn't say it right.
야
제 이름?
Austin
Austin.
입니다.
Welcome to 650 West 12th Street in Eugene, Oregon. This is the Lincoln School condominiums, and you heard that right. It actually used to be a school, and they converted it into a condominium unit. Really interesting. I love the history behind this. We'll take a look inside and see more of it, and you kind of see some of the key features, and you'll kind of see that old school vibe when you walk in. They're doing maintenance right now on the outside, so it is kind of loud, but this area is really well maintained. It's kind of a testament to how they keep the maintenance of this area. So just a beautiful area. It is right next to the main road, also right in the heart of downtown Eugene as well. So really accessible to get into the city for whatever you need. Plenty of convenience stores, restaurants, bars if you're into that scene as well. A little bit of nightlife. The second story of this area is really beautiful. I just really love the interior. So let's go take a look. One of my favorite attributes of this building is this courtyard area. It has that open ceiling here to let in the air and sunlight. You do have the plants and the nature feel. It's really outside and open. You do have the steel doors that frame with the bars, and it lets that air in as well. So walking up the steps to the room 212 where the studio apartment is, you'll notice that you can see kind of the history that it used to be a school. Kind of brings back a sentimental feeling, nostalgic. Just kind of feel like you're going to something. It has that modern touch. When you walk in here, you'll see the almost like a historic feeling for the doors. I feel like I almost see this in a textbook before or on the History Channel. But it almost has that East Coast feel of like a New York school. So really interesting. It kind of feels like a piece of history in this area. All right, here on the second story, let's go take a look inside. And as you walk in, it is a studio condo, so there is a full-size restroom here with a shower. Everything you need as far as essentials go. And when you do walk in, you'll notice the swinging doors here. Big closet space, coat rack, as well as storage space for all your belongings here. Let's go ahead and close that. And let's walk through the studio apartment. I love my personal favorite thing about this studio is the high ceilings here. Just kind of makes it feel more open, really spacious in this area. As far as it being a studio, you would probably most likely have your bed here. Big open windows here with a little bit of the nature view, so really beautiful. Kind of quiet. It is next to a main street, but you don't hear any noise as this area is kind of secluded as well, tucked away a little bit. But right next to the bed, you have your living area, and very open feel to this studio. Here is the kitchen with the renovated cabinets, so very modern here, and the granite countertops. Everything is renovated in this area, so it just looks really beautiful, really modern, and a lot of storage space here for one person as it is a studio. All the cabinets and space for your food. As well as amenities, very modern, microwave oven. We do have an electric stove top here, dishwasher as well. They managed to fit all of that here. Little dining area here if you want to have some guests over, which is great. And then big walk-in closet space here. I like this. You can just walk in, more than enough for one person. Just very spacious. It does have that high ceiling in here as well. So. Just a great area to invest in. As far as the surrounding area, it's a great area. This room itself, a studio, it's a great place to invest in. Very peaceful if you like, just kind of getting away from everything and being on your own for a little while. This is a great place to live. And right next to the courtyard, we do have the laundry room. Someone is doing laundry right now, so I'm not going to open the door. It's going to be kind of loud, but very spacious. Has all your laundry needs. If you can just put your stuff down here and go back up to your room and relax while your laundry is being washed. All right across from the Lincoln School condominiums, really awesome. You can see it right there, right across the street. This is our event center in Eugene, Oregon. There is the natural, the Lane County is what they call it, History Museum. So it just kind of has a history of the area. As well as the downtown, there is an ice skating rink. They have the annual fair as well in July. So just a really popular area of Eugene. Just a really, really awesome place to be in.